Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to change your location on the Tinder application. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and download Tinder application if you don't have it on your phone, but if you do have it on your phone, just ignore all of that. Of course, after downloading it, just go and sign in to create your account. If you already have an account as well, just go log in and let's just get straight to it. So after all launching the Tinder application, here you can actually like match or like ignore people. Of course, you can here explore whatever you want. This option is currently added is in every social media. Here you have the option to see who can actually or who actually liked you. Of course, you'll need a gold Tinder if you want to see that. You will have here the option of top picks as well. Of course, here we have the option of messages. You can here start messaging with the people that you matched with. Of course, as we said, if you want to change your location, you have three possible ways. So the first way is from you to, of course, to move. Maybe if you actually moved from one country to another, your current location will actually move with you, and Tinder will start giving you persons from your current location. Of course, we have the other option, which is using a VPN. Of course, you can just use a VPN, but just be careful. Tinder, if actually cuts you using a VPN, can actually block or ban your account from Tinder. Of course, the third and the safe option is just go in here and click at your icon at the top left corner, then go and click at your settings here. Of course, here we have discovery settings and we have here the option of location. If you click on that, of course, you can add a new location, but that will actually requires you to pay for a Tinder Plus. So just choose the subscription plan that you want actually to do and click add continue. So here you would like to fill your card number. Of course, if you don't have a card and you want to pay with Google Play, you can go and click here with buy with Google Play instead, and you can actually buy with it. So that will be actually for the video, guys. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.